Alright, start of the video, I got my Pikachu and Pichu Funkos as a backdrop so that it's just not just a white curtain on a backdrop of a crappy table, but I have a Legendary Duelists Yu-Gi-Oh! Display box. Had a fright with this one because it was delivered by Amazon, but I did not realize it had been, and it was just sitting on the front porch, which is not the best place for a package. Not in this day and age, anyway. We're gonna pop it open with the knife, because no way I'm gonna get it open with the fingers. And you would think this would be so easy a toddler could do it. But here I go, proving that I cannot pull that off. Yeah, that hopefully official Konami. You know, I never will be able to tell if something's been tampered with, mainly because I wouldn't know what to look for. This is already looking sweet though, even before I open it. Hopefully I open it correct. I got this little pop thing. Oh, it's trying to come open. Trying to come open already. Maybe you don't gotta pop it open like this, but I'm gonna. Oh. Well, hold on a minute. Is it like that? Slide down. Oh, yep, that's what it do. That do be what it be doing. Alright, and 36 packs is what I get to open today, and that's 5 cards per pack. Not gonna do the math right now, but might as well just get started so I don't run this video too long. I have no idea if there's any special way you're supposed to do these to, like, not show a rare first, but I got that. Ooh, trying to avoid the glare. So Token Stampede. I got Mech Lord Emperor Skeel. Mech Lord Astro Dragon Asterisk. Gotta keep making the names longer. Got Blaze Cannon. That's a nice shiny card. It helps the lizard brain when it's shiny. And Cosmos Channeling. I'm glad these open a lot easier than Pokemon cards do. I think the packaging is just like more crisp or something, so it breaks easy. Mech Lord Fortress, Jinzo Lord. I don't know what the difference between that and like Jinzo is, but I bet people that are actually like super into the game would know. Mech Lord Astro Mechanical. Mech Lord Army of Whizzle. And Mound of the Bound Creator. Really hoping to see that Ghost Raw card that it says is apparently in this. Oh, there's another Jinzo, another Whizzle. Mech Lord Emperor Whizzle. Oh, Army of Whizzle. So there's 2 different ones. The Resolute Mech Lord Army. And Mech Lord Astro the Eradicator. That looks exactly like the Asterisk one, except with a different positioning. You know? Oh no. Okay. Stuck for a sec. Oh, there's that Fortress again. Oh, and then Jinzo Normal. So I guess I'll have to check what difference is with Lord. Oh, there's the Skeel again. Ra's Disciple. And there's that Mound of the Bound Creator again. Ooh. Ooh, Monster Reborn. That takes me back to when I collected as a kid, and I actually had first editions that I no longer possess. Not that they were in good condition anyway. They were probably trashed. Jinzo Jector. Looks pretty neat. He's got spiky tubes. If you've seen any Japanese content, you know what he's up to. Law of the Cosmos. And Reactor Slime. I feel like I saw that on the show. Entirely possible that I did. Entirely possible that I didn't. I haven't seen the show in a very long time. I think I went and rewatched it back in high school, but that's been a hot minute. There's Whizzle again. The Resolute Army again. You got Monster Reborn, Jinzo, and then the Eradicator again. I'm getting a feeling probably going to be seeing a significant number of dupes. Just hopefully I can get something interesting. That's a new one. Brain Control. Holding Legs. That's a new one. The Army again. The Fortress again. And a wild monster appears. Hey, Pokemon now. You've encountered a wild monster. I love the art on this. Jinzo Ejector. Holding Arms again. Ra's Disciple again. Ooh, Psychic Bounder. He's a shiny boy. And then Reactor Slime again. I may not have said it at the beginning, but you've obviously been able to see it. This is Legendary Duelists Rage of Ra. And tomorrow I will have another pack showing up. I'm not quite certain what I bought. I don't remember. Reboot. But hopefully it'll show up tomorrow and I can do that video and get that put out. Mind Control. The White Aura Behemoth. I'm going to set that one off to the side and probably sleeve it when I get a moment. Just because it looks cool. So that makes me believe that it has significant reason to be sleeved. Makura the Destructor. Oh, it's cool as well. I'm a big fan. I'm glad I'm not just seeing the same things from the first, 4 packs? Where it was the same cards, just in different orders. I guess it wasn't exactly the same cards. You just saw a couple. Like Jinzos are just appearing. I think I have more of the alternate Jinzos than the base Jinzo. Anyway, Token Sunday. We got Ra's Disciple again, Mechlord Emperor Whizzle, and then Everlasting Alloy. It's apparently something it wants me to use with Jinzo. Not that I'm going to play the game, but hey, options. We're going to have plenty of disciples for Ra if we ever pull him. Yep, there's another one. And we're going to be able to hold all of their legs and arms. Oh my goodness, what happened to his head? That's a medical condition if I've ever seen one. Jinzo the Returner, another Token Sunday, and Mechlord Deflection. That's cool. Alright, the Brain Control again. That's what's going on inside that other guy's head. Big old brain. Left arm offering. I almost said operating. I guess amputation's operating. Mechlord Emperor Granel. Boon of the Mechlord Emperor. And Everlasting Alloy. I'm seeing a lot of Mechlord and not a ton of Ra. And, you know, I've been led astray. Maybe Ra's really into he's into the Mech Lords, you know? The Jinzos. That Jinzo Returner, Token Sunday, Chaos Infinity. That's edgy if I've ever seen it. Reboot. And Cyber Energy Shock. Oh, the Edgelord again. Reboot again. Metal Reflect Slime. That's a new one. Amplifiers, a new one. And then Cyber Energy Shock. See if I could get more with those, the white card. They look fancier and clean. Jinzo Lord, Jinzo. Jurigedo is a new one. Cosmos Channeling. Ooh. There's Astros again. See, he definitely looks like the other one. The other one just has maybe more spikes. I don't know. I'd have to pull it and compare them side by side. Jurigedo, Psychic Shockwave. You know, I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to set Asterisk off to the side, and if I pull the other one again, I'll compare them. Metal Reflect Slime and Psychic Mega Cyber. Punchy Boy. It's One Punch Man. Alright, the Metal Reflect Slime again. Amplifier again. Another Jinzo the Returner. Ooh, Jinzo the Machine Menace. That's a new one. And he's shiny. Always exciting when they're shiny. Probably set him off to the side. And then another Mech Lord Deflection. Trying not to make this take too long, but there's a significant number of packs, if I do say so myself. Boon of the Mech Lord Emperor, I think that's one I haven't had yet. And then Whizzle. And then the Bound Creator. Alright, so now it's starting to, they don't tear at this corner correctly. Wait. Ra's just, there's Flash every name in the hand. Holding Legs. I feel like Holding Legs and Holding Arms look the same. Reboot. Got that Mind Control. And Mechura the Destructor again. He's got those Wolverine claws going on. Sure would hope he's a destroyer or something. And Token Stampede again. Holding Arms. Maybe Holding Legs and Holding Arms are reversed as far as their image goes. If I could find one. I know I just pulled one. Like it was just there. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, okay, I found it. They are. They're just reversed. Just the picture and it's flipped and the colors changed. But you know, you do what you can with what you have. And to be fair, they probably basically the same effect, so I can't really complain. Mech Lord Army of Skill. Law of the Cosmos again. And then Mech Lord Deflection. Alright. Jinzo the Returner. And it does say there's supposed to be a rare card in every pack, so I guess there will always be something that's considered rare. Like this, probably. Sun God Unification. That's cool. I really enjoyed that. Can't tell what's happening, but boy is it neat. And then a wild monster appears. And then mind control. Metal reflect slime. Chaos Infinity. Mechlord Emperor Steel, and Everlasting Alloy. Oh, and the thing that spurred me opening Yu-Gi-Oh cards, since no one would know except me, is I went to Target and they were out of Pokemon cards. So I went, hey, I'll grab... Oh! No, I do know what the other box set that I purchased was. But onto that in a sec. I purchased Yu-Gi-Oh cards instead because that's what they had. Because everyone's buying out every type of trading card in existence currently. Which, I guess technically I'm part of the problem since I bought some too. But it's just taken me back to my childhood. And I have the money to do it now. So I have the money and the desire. I'm going to go ahead and do what I want. I figured I would start collecting some Yu-Gi-Oh cards as well. Now that I'm collecting Pokemon and Funkos, I might as well just add another collection item. Anyway, my other display box that I purchased is the King's Court. And hopefully that's got some cool ones. I opened one pack from that, and I got some cool Knight guy, which is the combination of the other three that are apparently available to be drawn from that. Jurighetto, left operation again. Okay, well, I got this boy again. I'm not gonna complain since I went, hey, I would like one that looks like that again, and they just gave me the same one. Alright, oh, that's Asterisk again. That's not the other one. Psychic Shockwave. I'm probably gonna have to go through and find out for myself. The True Name. Shiny. I like shiny stuff. And there's the Wild Monster appears again. Jinzo Ejector. I'm also happy to see that these aren't all bent. Like, the packs that I bought at Target were kind of warped, which was weird to see. Mechlord Nucleus Infinity Core. That sounds pretty cool. I'm as easily entertained as you can tell, since I just like staring at pretty pictures on cards. And I spent money just to do that. Mechlord Emperor Skill again, Ross Disciple again, Holding Legs again, you got that Token Stampede, and then Punchy Boy. I got a feeling I probably won't see anything like super cool. Got the Fortress, Mechanical again, Mechlord Astro Mechanical. I don't know if I got that. Mechlord Emperor Whizzle Synchro Absorption. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It's probably a combination card. Please don't yell at me. I don't know. I just like collecting. Brain Control. Holding Arms. And I'm pretty sure this is a newer set, so it's probably not worth like anything. Mechlord Deflection. But I wanted cards, and I didn't want to have to spend $200, $300 on a display box just because it's old. Especially when they'll like reprint the cards, and I can just have the same cards but not expensive. Mind Control, Metal Reflect Slime, Chaos Infinity, and Bound at the Bound Creator again. We have this one, it's 3 there, and this is 5. Yeah, I can math. Oh, simple math. We got 25 cards left to get, well, I guess, yeah, but we got 5 packs to get the Ghost Ra pull. Probably won't. Just calling it now, probably won't. They're apparently first editions of this set, so it's gotta be new. It's gotta be. Oh, look at that. Ghost Rare God card. Holding Arms, Mechlord Army of Steel, Mechlord Astro Mechanical, Jinzo the Returner, and Makira the Destructor again. These boys are starting to look familiar. I'm gonna figure they're just the most common of the commons in these packs. Yep, there he is. The Fortress again, and the normal Jinzo. Got Skill and the Cosmos Channeling. Seen all those before. Skill, Jurigetto, Farm Offering, Mechlord Army of Wizzle, and Psychic Mega Cyber again. Brain Controlled, the Holding Arms, Monster Reborn, Mechlord, Astro Dragon, Triskelion. That's a cool boy. And a wild monster appears. And that appears to be it. Just real quick here. I kind of feel, I don't know if there's a difference, but like these kind of feel like they're smoother to me, maybe. And then these are the ones I pulled from the Target packs, and they feel maybe they're not less smooth. I kind of feel like they stick more. They definitely sort of feel like they stick more, but I could just be imagining it. I don't know. I don't know if that's a normal thing, if... I don't know. I couldn't say. I'm not going to say I got, like, ripped off and someone, the seller or whatever, did fake packs. I doubt that they would go through the trouble and have returns available and the Konami wrap, and I just don't. I don't think they would find it worth it. Is the raw card even worth pulling out? Because I know they do it with like Pokemon card sets, because the Pokemon card sets come with like $300 cards. But I just don't know. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Only they would know, I guess. But that just real quick, those are some of the cool shiny ones that I wanted to hold on to. That's Asterisk that I set aside to try to find the other one, but apparently Asterisk is the less of rare of the two, and I'd have to look through this whole pile to find the one I'm looking for. But regardless, thank you for watching. I hope it wasn't painful. It might have been. It might have been painful. Had to listen to me as I blabber on, but have a lovely rest of your time, and hopefully you watch my next video, which I should be making tomorrow. And that'll be the Lord's Court, or whatever, booster box.